Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register for HelloSign detailed guide step by step clearly. To register for HelloSign, begin by opening your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in www.hellosign.com and press enter. Once the home page loads, look for the Get Started for Free button. Click on this button to proceed to the registration page. You will be prompted to enter your email address. After entering your email, create a secure password. Make sure your password is strong and meets the requirements listed. Once you have filled in your email and password, click the Sign Up button. You will receive a verification email in your inbox. Go to your email and open the message from HelloSign. Click on the verification link in the email to confirm your account. After verification, you may be redirected back to the HelloSign website. Now you will be asked to complete your profile information. Fill in your name and any other required details. Review the terms of service and privacy policy. If you agree, check the box indicating your acceptance. Click the Continue button to finalize your registration. Your HelloSign account is now set up and ready to use. Explore the dashboard to familiarize yourself with the features available. You are now ready to start signing documents or sending requests. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.